Something happened again. Holy mackerel. I can't believe this. This is a freaking snowstorm, alright. Glad I got all the amendments in the house there. I cannot believe that. This is like a sea of snowdrift. And right back down there, between the silo and that red shed, I'm guessing that's about a 6-footer. Hey! Say hi! Look, it's up to my waist!
I can't believe it! I thought it was a lie.
Look at that drift right there!
Do you see Nikki's car?
You can't see it! I mean, I just see a little part. I'm trying to make it over there. Hold on.
Thank God for the drift though, because Haley wouldn't be able to come outside.
It's, oh my God, it's so I mean, look at this. It's up to my waist. Hold on. Thank God I got good, nice clothes on. Oh, it's getting better. Bailey, you ain't never gonna make it over here.
No.
Holy moly, come here. Bailey. It's not bad here. Bailey, shh.
I thought your car was buried, and then I saw it over here.
Yeah, it's down there.
You can't see out your window.
No, I looked out the window and I'm like, holy moly. I can't even see out there. Say hi, everybody. Shh, come here, Bailey. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. You know me. Well, that's pretty crazy, girl. Look at her cars. That's not going to be fun to dig out.
No, I'm not digging out. That's why I parked over there. I told him I'll move it over there.
Yours is perfect.
I know.
Wait till I ever come up tomorrow with the plow.
It's weird that...
That drift right there's got to be about 6 feet.
It's crazy.
My Jeep would never get through that. Holy moly. I almost got stuck down there last night.
But I thought you did because I saw you pulling out your Jeep. But,
Say cheese! I gotta get this on tape. I can't believe this.
Nuts.
This is unbelievable.
See my car and Nikki's car?
They're little cocoons. Wow.
Hilarious.
Luckily his Mustang didn't slide down the hill. Alright, where's the snowboarders at? Or the snow sailor guys who get the kite things. Wow, you could have a lot of fun out here.
Good.
That stuff over there is deep.
Oh, I know.
It was up to my waist. Holy moly.
I remember living over there.
Yeah, I had to like literally kick the front door open. Had a drift on it this tall. Anyway, this is crazy. I'm glad I got the Jeep out last night, or it would be in that. How screwed up would that be? Holy shit. So, yeah, Albert told me, he was like, park it up there by the barn. He said that when I come through, we just have a clear shot.
He told me to move it up there, but it didn't settle, because he was worried about the branches falling down on my car, but it didn't get on the branches at all. Just like,
No, there was too much wind last night. It blew all the snow off the branches, you know?
yeah.
Except on this side, look.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. Look, half of it sugar-coated.
Come here.
Wow, that's pretty cool. I'll see if I can make it to the Jeep sometime.